The Bosch boiler error code D3 signifies a defective external temperature limiter switch, resulting in excessively high temperatures that exceed 700 degrees. This issue can be caused by overheating, running the boiler for extended periods, or an obstructed flute pipe or leak. To resolve the error, it is necessary to reset the overheated boiler by switching it off, then pressing the reset button for at least 5 seconds. If the boiler does not have a reset button, the feature light on the temperature dial can be used instead. Press the reset light for at least 5 seconds and check if the boiler has started functioning again. If the error persists, it will be necessary to contact a gas-safe registered engineer to identify the root cause of the problem. Regular annual servicing of the boiler can help prevent the error from occurring in the first place. In cases where the error code is caused by an obstruction or blockage of the flute pipe, the boiler will require servicing, which can be done by sourcing a local Bosch boiler service provider.